It's Mason from Mason's Forex Trading and Investments. Please take note of the risk disclaimer. Everything provided in the video is strictly for educational purposes. Please hit that subscribe button, like and share the video with your friends and your family. So currently we are on the daily chart. This is the MetaTrader 4 platform, and we have NASDAQ or US Tech 100 shown on the chart. If you zoom out, first of all, I have a 200 period moving average to give us a summary of price. And if you look at our chart, you'll notice that more often than not, price is above this exponential moving average. And you can also notice that it's a strong uptrend, or otherwise known as a bullish trend. So let us zoom in. Now, if you remember from my video 2 weeks ago, I'll leave the link in the description. We've identified this significant area, approximately here. As you can see, price pushes into this level, it reverses, pushes back into this level, reverses, and eventually we break out. Now, if you look at market structure, what happens is as soon as we close above this area here, which happens via this candle. Let me zoom in. Now, if you look at price carefully, you'll notice that, let us draw this line. This blue candle breaks out or closes above this area identified. We can now say that market structure is broken and we are expecting price to move higher. Now, in our case, or rather 2 weeks ago in my video, you would have noticed that I actually entered or placed a trade this candle for my entry with the combination of this pullback. So I placed my stop loss approximately 1 ATR. And my entry was at the close of this blue candle. It was approximately here. And currently I am 1 R in return, or positive 1 R. Now, if you look at the two candles which are formed, and currently price has broke out, or it's moving in the strong upward trend. You can look at it from this point. You'll notice that price is moving upward quite strong. So I'm interested in entering this trade again. In my case, I'll place a stop loss 1 ATR from the pullback or from this retracement candles. These two red candles form a retracement. So again, I'm going to have a 1 ATR stop loss. And my entry will be based on the close of this candle. Now, since today it's Friday, I will only enter this trade on Monday because my rules tell me I will enter this trade on the close of this candle here. So this is how I'll be tackling this NASDAQ or this pair. And that's how I will look to profit. So I don't have a precise take profit because my expectation is I'm going to be holding until price goes higher and higher. So in this case, I can't exactly have a precise take profit or a rough plan of a take profit. Also, to bring to your attention, if you zoom out, normally I would use price or structure from the left hand side to determine where I would potentially achieve my take profit. But in this case, there's no data from the past, and price is breaking new levels as it pushes higher. So I will be holding this trade as long as I can hold it, and also managing the previous trade that I have taken. So we've come to the end of this video. Until the next video, goodbye.